Hello people, back in a good old Volvo FM series from like 2006 or something. At the other food grocery job now, red day, 1st of May. I don't know how many horsepower this thing has, it doesn't say on the side. Oh wait, on that side it says, but I can't read it. But it is a drag truck, so I think it has 410 horsepower at least. I think, yeah, it's a 410 probably. So I know some of you have been asking like I should floor it and stuff. I don't remember the weight. I think we have like only 3 tons of load now, so I can try and do that if not all the groceries fall over in the back. Can we make this green light? Pushing it? No, we can't. Why did I push it? I would have known. I should have known that. Pretty beautiful weather. Would have been nice to be at home, but you know, it's 100% extra pay today. Red day, really nice. Everybody's happy at work. Like, all they care about is the money. No, but it's quite interesting. So we're in Jodbro and we're going to drive to Farsta. Yeah, Farsta. Into a garage and deliver. Right, so I'm gonna do a kickdown. 9th gear and nothing happens. It should shift down. Now I'm doing full gas here. This is full gas. Now up in 60. And engine braking. Shifting down manually to 7th gear from 9th. Now again, full gas. 30, 40, 45, 50. Alright, not really eco driving there, but you get the idea about how quick a truck is when you floor it. It's not quick. Even if you have a 750, or of course if you unloaded with like a 750 or a V8, wow, that thing is gonna fly. It's gonna feel like it's gonna fly. But don't expect like a sports car or something. I kind of like the new gen Volvos. They were pretty quick. I don't know what they've done, but there's something with the turbo or something. I don't know. It's just really quick. Might not have the same torque and power as the Scanias. Like that you know, that pure power, or what you say, low rev power like Scanias have, but they are quick. Got a broken blinker or indicator, it's blinking like crazy. There's the Ham road. This is, man, I'm pretty tired of this road. I've been driving this road my whole freaking life. Even the kind of new job that I have is still driving this road over and over and over and over and over, as somebody just commented. yeah, but you gotta stay positive, man. It's pretty amazing. I've recently heard that on a video about how powerful our subconscious mind is and how much it really affects us. And yeah, this truck is really beat up. Really nasty. Gotta wash my clothes when I come home. Crack all along the windshield. Holy crap. As I was gonna say earlier, came across lots of videos on our subconscious mind and how all of that works. And it's just so interesting. I just love learning about it all. So if you want to get happier, you're just gonna like force your mind and just force your thoughts into positive thoughts all day long, every day long. See if we can overtake this guy. you stay positive all the time, you're gonna like, what is that noise? The truck is falling apart, help me. But then your subconscious mind learns unconsciously, without your will, you will get happier. You can hypnotize your mind, really, your own mind, just by changing your thoughts, forcing your thoughts into better, forcing your emotions into better, trying to get to know that heart energy, like feeling your heart, like the joy coming out of your heart into your brain. That is really weird. I don't know if any of you have that, but if I focus on my heart and I try to feel the heart energy, because you have a special energy in your heart, believe it or not, it's science, it's facts, you know. And when I focus on that, I just feel so good, I don't know. And if I just try and bring that up to my brain somehow, and just try and put my hand on my heart, it like I get this joy. It's so strange. I'm like naturally happy nowadays, all the time. When I've started meditating, started thinking positively all the time. It's really cool how it works. Drive around this whole place, but it's kind of the same way. What the hell was that? Jesus. Wow. This truck has really bad suspension. I didn't know that. Whew. Scared the crap out of me. Darn you. Oh yeah, I've gone too far. Crazy. Oh, here's a roundabout, luckily, so we can turn around. Man, that's the second time I drive wrong in this video. How can I be so bad? Round and round we go. Here it is. Boy, it smells like diesel in here. So nasty. So here we go, you guys. Now just made it. It's gonna swallow us into the garage. Gulp. Oh, my eyes, it's too dark in here. And then when I'm gonna go out, it's gonna be like too bright. It's pretty shame that I have to be in a garage when it's such a nice weather outside. Aww. Oh well, gotta stay positive. It's cozy in here, yeah, right? I didn't even check the height. I solely trusted the transport leader, the fleet manager. I didn't check the height. That's really bad of me. Every single time before I went into a garage my whole life, I'll always check the height. This is the first time I forget that. I am bad. Don't do as me, guys. Check the height before you go into any garage under any what's it called? What the hell? Are you stupid? How am I supposed to pass here? It's not gonna work, brother. You're gonna have to move that thing. And I can't go up there because it's 3.4. I think this garage is like 3.5, yeah. Är det din bil eller nej? Är det din lastbil? Ja, skulle du kunna flytta lite? Schysst. Ja, visst. So if I go up there, I might hit the roof. Like, I don't know. Why did it park like that? It could have parked a little bit more to the right, couldn't it? Okay, let's see if we can do this. Nice Scania. Can you stand still? I could have actually maybe made it without him having to move. Right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If it was something you didn't enjoy with this video, then please tell me so I can improve. And take care of you all. Try and stay healthy, eat healthy. Leave a like, check out the